Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a smoky look, and the smoky look you guys really liked on Instagram. So I'm going to take the Nude palette, and I'm going to be taking the brown from that palette, and I'm going to be using it as our transition shade. I love using a brown color like this, or a little bit warmer and then a little bit more orange to really set the tone in a crease look. Well, in the crease, so it can really stand out in the look. So now I'm just going to be doing it to both eyes. Then I'm going to be taking the Malibu palette, and I'm going to be taking a yellow from the palette, and I'm just going to be applying it underneath the crease. And then I'm just going to make sure that even though I'm using a bright color, I don't want it to overlap the crease color that we did apply before. So you want the crease color to be the main color showing. Of course, the usual, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. I'm going to be applying Cool Tan to the crease. Also, I'm not covering up the yellow. As you can see that I'm leaving some of the yellow, so that even though I did cover up the yellow, I can go back over just a little bit, but not on top of the crease color. Now we're going to be taking the orange, and I'm going to be applying this orange from the LA Girl Neon palette, and I'm going to be taking the orange and I'm going to apply it to the first inner half of the lid, and then I'm also going to just pack it on. I'm going to be taking the green from the orange, and these shades are a little bit not as pigmented as it appears in the palette. So if you apply a white base under it, like I should have done, then you will probably get by with it. But in order for me to get that pigmentation, it'll have to be layered on each other. Like, it'll be layered. And I had to really go back, dip, back, hey, dip, back, until I got the payoff that I needed. Then I'm going to be using the gray from the palette, and I'm going to be applying the gray right next to the green. And be careful not to overlap the gray because it's going to take most of the green and it's not going to really show. So make sure you just apply it to the outer corner of your lid and kind of in the outer V. And the best way also to do this step if you would use tape, because if you would use tape, you will have better payoff of the look. Going in with the Comfort Zone, the original Comfort Zone palette by Wet n Wild. I'm going to be taking the Brow Bone shade, and I'm just going to be applying the Brow Bone shade in the inner tear duct. And basically all I'm doing is just overlapping shades, and also just make sure that I got the payoff that I wanted to have. And then I'm taking a white base, and I'm going to take the white base that I should apply on the lid color. But, you know, we learn. And I'm going to be taking it all across the lower lash line because I want my shadows to appear on the lower lash line as well. Then I'm going to be taking the brown shade from the the LA Colors Nude palette, and then I'm going to be taking the shades. I'm going to be applying it to the lower lash line on top of the base so that the pigmentation will definitely stay. And also, I just like to really kind of like, you know, take a little bit black and also smoke the lower lash line since we got a little bit smoky going on. And I love it. Since I actually applied my face routine on the camera, so I decided I want to go ahead and complete my face routine and do a little bit of baking. Yes, I'm baking now, so. Guys, enjoyed this video. Give this video a massive thumbs up, and I gotta go, and I'll see you soon. Bye.